into the Mission Pacific and it is amazing. As soon as we walked in, we were blown away by the space, the view, and just how bright it was. I'm gonna show you first the balcony because this is spectacular. We got an oceanfront view. Look how beautiful it is. And this is the whole entire property here. You can kind of see where we're staying. And right in front of us, in the near future, is going to be a dessert house. And it's going to be called Charlie's. And if you are familiar with Oceanside, Top Gun, the original Top Gun, there's lots of it that was shot here. And that was the original house that was used in the Top Gun movie. We've got some chairs out here to enjoy the views. Maybe have some coffee in the morning because we do have a little coffee station. So when we checked in, we were so surprised that each of the pups got a little gift bag, and look how fancy this is. We've been to several hotels that are pet friendly, and usually they come in like, just a normal paper bag. So we were very blown away by how just gorgeous these bags are. So they get a Frisbee, which is cool because usually it's a ball. So this is something different. And Zoe. And they each got a scarf. I already put Zoe's on. It says Mission Pacific, and it's really nice material too. Look at these trees, it's like a pineapple shade. And then they also have this for our room, which I already put one on for that I got out of Zoe's bag. So this is really convenient, so people know that you do have a pet in your room. And another thing that we haven't had other hotels ever do is actually provide us with a bunch of dog-friendly suggestions and things to do, like parks and beaches and restaurants that are all pet friendly. So that is super, super thoughtful. And also there's a map where they kind of guide you to where the pet relief stations are, which there are two. There's one on this side and one on this side. So we're staying at the Mission Pacific. Look, they even have their own magazine here. And right next door is the Seabird Resort, which is their sister hotel. They both have pools. They both have their own, restaurants and bars. And you can go to either one of them because you are basically a guest of both. One thing that's really unique about this room is all the different seating areas. I don't think I've been to a hotel where they have so many places where you can sit down and relax, which is perfect because Kuma likes different accent chairs or places to sit down. And then there's actually like seating over there too. So lots of seating, which I really, really like. And Zoe is already sleeping on the bed. So I guess it's pretty comfy, huh? Are you tired already? You like the bed? I think she likes it. It's really plush. I can feel the comforter. It feels really nice. Lots of pillows. There's plenty of space next to the bed so we can both put down our phones or laptops to charge. There's USB ports and also an outlet. So plenty of room and plenty of outlets to charge your devices. So here is our coffee station. Actually, it's a really good coffee. I do like this brand. And they even have their own branded cups here, which I thought was really cool because that goes with the whole style of their hotel. Extra pods, so they're not stingy. There's plenty for both of us. And then in here, there's some more stuff available for purchase, like sunscreen, chocolate, and even bag, a beach bag. So that's kind of cool, a tote bag. And then here is the fridge, which there's a key in here. I don't know. Oh. Okay, so there's drinks available for purchase if you want drinks.
Alright, so this is the other side of the room. It is so huge. This corner over here is actually the bathroom. And you can, it's open wide right now, but you can close it too. So there's sliding doors. You can make it private. But if you want to keep it open and have all your room, you can expose it too. But before we go into the bathroom, I just want to show you around here a little bit. So this is the entryway. This is when we enter the room. And to the right is a full-length mirror. We always appreciate full-length mirrors so we can see our whole outfit. And then to this side is another area where you can lay your luggage or to sit and relax. Or Zoe or Kuma can go up and relax here too. There's also some storage space down here that you can utilize. So tons and tons of storage space that you can use. And back here is a big closet. And we're definitely utilizing this to put all our stuff in here. They actually have a steamer up here, not an iron. I'm not gonna take this out because I don't want to take it out of the bag, but it looks like a heavy duty steamer that was really useful. There's a digital safe. Plenty of hangers to use. They even have like these little cute white ones. Also, there is a luggage rack in the back here as well if you need to use another luggage rack. And then more storage space down here that you can use. And they're all non-slam doors. And then this is the lovely bathroom. Gosh, it feels like a little spa in here. This mirror is digital. This might be my first digital mirror I've ever come across in a hotel. What else? Okay, so they have a blow dryer in here. I actually have this basket. Oh, look at this. They got a tissue box. Nice bamboo looking tissue box. And in here, we've got some cotton balls and some Q-tips. It also looks like they provided plenty of towels, so that's always great. And candy. You're gonna love this. Close-up mirror with a light.
Yes.
So this is the shower stall. Zoe, you're stuck. What are you gonna do?
Zoe!
Oh no!
Zoe, you're stuck!
You're in the glass box.
How do you get out?
And then we have 2 robes here. It actually feels really soft and nice. And my favorite thing is that they have slippers. They provide slippers for you. I see slippers being provided in Europe or Japan because of the two places that I travel to the most. And they always provide like slippers, but never in the States do they ever provide slippers. This is not part of their culture. This was awesome to see slippers provided. So they have like a men's size and a woman's size. On the men's size, they have big feet. And then you have your separate area here for the toilet. Yeah, so you can have your private time here. You can close it like this. And open it up. Hi, Zoe. So yeah, we're really excited to stay at this hotel, and we're also excited to check out all the Oceanside things to do with your dog.
We got a little bit excited. We both ordered 2 entrees. I got the French toast, which they said was the chef's favorite. It's so good.
Oh, look at my turn. Yeah, you gotta catch that.
Hold on, let me get in focus. Okay. That's so cool. I've never seen a
Look at
play do that.
I am very excited to try all this and have some candies. So we're here at Ozone, and this is located within the Mission Pacific Hotel. You can buy a lot of local artisan goods.
There's like an array of stuff here.
Hi, Zoe. Oh, where are you going? Oh, she should have touched me. Good job. Hey, Kuma. Are you having a fantastic time? Huh?
What are you drinking? What are you drinking, Kuma? A margarita?
A margarita?
You drinking a margarita?
I'm just kidding.
So our time has come to an end. I feel like it went by so fast.
It really did. A weekend was not enough here. I
No.
feel like we needed a couple more extra days just to enjoy the hotel and other activities and restaurants around the hotel. Because there was a lot to do that we couldn't fit in.
Yes, there's definitely a lot to do with your dogs that we really, really thoroughly enjoyed.
Mhm.
I mean, we enjoyed the rooftop bar so much with our dogs that we went twice.
And Antonio especially took care of us at the rooftop bar and the dogs. He knew
Yes.
how pampered they needed to be because he has a dog himself and he knows, that there are babies. They also have several restaurants and cafes within this hotel between the 2 properties. We did check out the breakfast at the Seabird. Beautiful presentation with their
Yes.
breakfast. Everything was really great. And since you get to utilize both properties here at the Mission Pacific and the Seabird, you have 2 options for pools 2 options for gyms, like 2 options for camping. I mean, you have 2 options for everything. It's really nice.
Oh, and the Seabird, they also have their own spa. So,
yes,
yeah,
the spa
that's
too.
Pretty cool too.
So we didn't utilize the pool or the gym because again, we ran out of time, but we did check out the gym at the Seabird and it is humongous.
Oh my gosh, it was so big.
Most of the equipment had its own monitors on there. It's very clean.
Besides the gyms, if you're not a gym person, they do also provide classes like yoga, and which are all free. It's included within the hotel stay. So I thought that was really cool. And they have a calendar of events that'll be in your room so you can see, you know, what's available when you're here.
So yeah, as you could tell, we really loved our stay here.
Yes.
We had a lot to say about it. We did a lot of fun stuff with our dogs. Anytime it's pet friendly like this place, we, you know, give extra love for it because we love our pets. So if they're happy, we're happy.
Yeah.
So we hope that this review helped you out. If it did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more of our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.